Hi students, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see what is the solution for this numerical puzzle. As you can see in the first row, 6, 8 and 10 are the three numbers. Similarly in the second row 3, 5, 8, in the third row 1, 2, 5, and in the last row 12, 24, and there is a question mark. So we need to identify what is the answer for this question mark. As you can see closely this one, and if you want to try the answer for this puzzle you can pause the video and try it and comment your answer, or if you want to know the answer keep watching the video. Here what I am going to do, first identify which are the big numbers. So in this 10 and 8, these are big numbers. Similarly in this here 12 and 24 are big numbers, right? So you can try it the puzzle in this way. As you can see the column wise, if you observe closely there is a logic between these three numbers, that is this 3 and this 1. 3 minus 1 if you do you will get 2, right? So that 2 into this is 6, 2 multiplied with 6 you are going to get the answer, that is 12. Similarly 5 minus 2, there you are going to get the answer is 3, and this 3 multiplied with 8 you are going to get the answer as 24. Same way apply the same logic here, that is 8 minus 5, there is the answer is 3, and this 3 is multiplied with 10 and you are going to get the answer as 30. So 30, that means 30 is the correct answer. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new to our channel, and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we upload the new videos, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.